Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can set damage deposit on VRBO. They've recently done a lot of changes to the website. Most of them are cosmetic changes. Things have moved around a bit, and it can be very confusing trying to find the damage deposit field, which is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Try and do this from a computer. VRBO phone app is not suitable for things like this. Once you're logged in, you will see your name on the top right section on VRBO. Click on that and then choose Owner Dashboard. That will take you straight to your listing. And once there, you need to click on Calendar on the left-hand side. And in the calendar view, you don't need to click on the dates or anything. Without clicking anywhere, you will see the settings option in the top. Click on settings, and then you will see damage protection as the second last option here. Just click on that, and this is where you can mention the damage deposit which you want to charge to the guest. Remember, VRBO charges a 5% service fee from hosts, but they do not charge their 5% service fee on the damage deposit. However, they will charge 3% processing fee for the payment, and they will charge that 3% on the damage deposit. So it is going to cost you a bit. So try and be sensible about it. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.